All right. Hey guys, Alex here, and a couple of quick things. Very excited about this. So these are samples, right? So we've ordered some samples from China. This is a very interesting product. Come close, let me show you this, right? This is a 3-stage knife sharpener. So this is a product that I'm working with my business partner, and it's something, we ran the numbers on Amazon. They look fantastic, and we're like, well, first thing is you need to get a sample, and this is for you guys as well. You need to get a sample. You got to make sure that it's a great quality product and that it's actually, they're going to deliver the product. So we've got a few here. We've got 1, 2, what have we got here? Look, we actually ordered quite a few. Normally, typically, you just get 2 samples, 3 samples from 3 different suppliers, right? So let's say you found your product, you made sure it's profitable, right? And you ran the numbers, it's doing a good turnover, it has low reviews, it meets a few other of those parameters which I talk about in some of my videos, guys. Next step is order a sample. So get 1, 2, I went a little bit overboard because I actually wanted to get these on Amazon. I don't mess around, neither should you guys. As soon as you lock down your product and you know exactly which type of product you want to jump on, just go nuts, right? So I ordered quite a few here, but the first step is make sure it's good. So let me just show you this. Let me just open this up, right? So, all right. First thing, you open it up as though you're a customer. And what I do is I imagine I'm the actual customer. Imagine receiving something like this. Would I be happy with it, right? So it's in a nice box. It's got the Made in China label in, which you actually have to have. All right, the instructions are actually not in, the instructions are quite clear. All right, so they're not all bungled up in bad English. Okay, so it's written pretty well. And would I be happy with this? Absolutely. Open it up, it's beautiful. I've actually seen other brands have their label right here. All right, so that's something potentially me and my business partner might end up doing, putting our brand here. And is that something you guys want to do? Do you want to put your brand on your product? Because it's very possible. You can actually do it. It's very easy to do. And it's something that I would say the majority of our students actually do. All right, so guys, get a sample and test it out, and you can actually get like a couple of different samples from a couple of different suppliers. It isn't that hard to do. We actually have a team in China. We've actually got a company in China to do this sort of stuff for myself and for my clients. And I actually share those details with you guys. So if you're looking for someone to help you with samples, maybe even inspect your goods, let's say it's about to leave to the Amazon FBA warehouse in America, and you're looking for somebody to inspect the goods, make sure the goods are all prepped properly, right? That is something that my company can do. My contacts can do that. They can actually prep it. Because some people want like a nice little ribbon around it. They want like a little welcome note in it, and we do that as well. Some people like that kind of stuff, some sort of tailored sort of products, right? Ribbons in there, you've got welcome letters or personal notes to try and get them to get the review, because that's really what you guys want. You want to get reviews. So little personal messages like that, it does help get your reviews. So guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, get samples. And also, if you're based here in Australia or New Zealand and you're looking to start a business, and the biggest thing holding you back is potentially products, you don't know what products you want to get involved in, then join one of our live events, one of our webinars. I go through quite a lot of products on our webinar, right? So I actually do go through a lot of great strategies, a lot of great ideas, and I also show you the next steps that you guys need to take. I'm doing an event here in 3 months. So I'm based on I'm on the Gold Coast at the moment. I'm doing an event here in 3 months. I would love for you guys to come and meet me personally and basically get something started. We actually have people in the room find products. We have people find suppliers, and we have people list products in the room. That's how practical these workshops we run are. So I hope to see you there, guys. Have a fantastic day. I wish you the best on your Amazon journey. Bye-bye for now.